We are going to do a animal collage portrait using one of our animals that we drew before. Okay, so this is a portrait of an animal. The portrait only consists of the face. Okay, so it's very important that we just focus on the face. Okay, so I want you to pick one of your emotions so that way we can make it into a collage. Okay, once you pick your emotion, you're gonna get a template to trace and a base paper so that way we can glue our collage onto. Okay, you won't need this right now, so we'll put this aside. You're gonna get a bin full of construction paper with different colors. Okay, you're gonna get a garbage bin. You will be using your scissors, and we will be using our glue. Okay, so first, since we need to trace this to make the head, I have to decide what color head is my dog gonna be. And if I want pink, I don't think it would fit. So I need to fit something that fits my template. This is perfect. I think this would be a great job. Great color. Okay, so now it's okay if it's cut. This paper is still good. All we have to do is go to the far edge, so that way this paper somebody else can use. And all I'm gonna do is just hold my template down without moving, and I'm gonna trace my template as best as I could without moving. Okay, put my pencil down, take my template off. I now have my template. This paper is still good, so this is what I'm gonna do. So somebody else can use this paper. I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna put this paper back because it's still good. And then I'm gonna cut this. Remember, our scissors don't move. They stay in the same direction. The only thing that moves is my hand, okay?
So I'm slightly moving my hand.
Okay, maybe I can use this piece. If not, I can probably use it for my ears. So all I'm gonna do,
Draw my ears.
and that way now this is garbage. Put that in there.
They look good.
Now I have my ears and my head. Now I'm gonna look where it goes, and I'm gonna glue it. Okay, I like the placement there, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my glue bottle. Remember, okay, when we use the glue bottle, we need to share. And when we glue on the placemat and not on the paper. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna dip, wipe, and go around the edges.
Dip, wipe, around the edges. Dip, wipe, around the edges. Dip, wipe, around the edges. Okay, dip, wipe, around the edges.
Once I'm done, I'm gonna place this here. I'm gonna give it a little massage. Now I need to glue my ears, so I'm gonna flip this backwards.
I'm doing the same thing. Dip, wipe, around the edges.
Give it a little massage. Once I'm done that, remember we flip the paper over and we give it a nice massage. That way nothing comes off and we're looking really good. Okay, now I'm gonna continue and I'm gonna see if I can make a t-shirt for my dog, and I'm gonna pick another color, and let's see, maybe a blue t-shirt might be good. So I'm gonna find, and I'm gonna draw on this paper, but remember we want to draw close to the edge, okay, so that way any paper that we don't use can be saved for somebody else. Okay,
so I'm just gonna draw, let's see. Remember, I'm only gonna cut what I need, so I only need this part. This paper is still good, I'll put it back there, and it looks like
okay, these papers, they don't look like anybody can use them. I put them in the garbage. Once I'm done with my scissors, I put my scissors away. I look where it's gonna go. I think it's gonna go right there. Looks great. Okay, so I'm ready.
I'm gonna glue my shirt. So dip, wipe around the edges. Dip, wipe around the edges. Dip, wipe around the edges. Once you're done, put it down. Give it a little tap.
Flip it over. And if we have space for the pants, the arms, you can continue working on that.